Ever been overwhelmed by clips in your project? Searching for that one clip in a sea of media? Well, the Final Cut Pro browser has a number of filters to help narrow the search. To get started with the filters, I recommend the shortcut Control-C. This shortcut reveals every single clip in your browser by setting the filter to show all clips. This won't narrow the search, but it will let you see every single clip, even those rejected clips. Try it out. Select a clip and press F to mark it as a favorite. Then click on a different clip and press the delete key to reject it. We now have clips that are marked favorite, rejected, and a bunch unmarked. Use the drop-down menu or a shortcut to see just clips marked as favorite. This is where Control-C comes in. Boom, all your clips return. Green favorites, and even the red rejected one. For more on organization, check out the free course at anawesomeguide.com and take some time to mark your clips and make the next search for a clip easier.